Hello. It's Earth Month, so I was just getting ready to enjoy nature with my Bird Appreciation Club. You should join me. Well, then there would be 2 people in my club. Oh. To be in the club, all you have to do is look out and listen to the birds. Where I live, there's usually blue jays, eastern phoebes, even woodpeckers. And if you have binoculars, like I do, well, then you can even see the birdies. You might see a red cardinal, or a yellow goldfinch, or a white swan. Oh, so many colors. Did you hear that? There's a loon now. I'm gonna go see if I can spot it. Happy Earth Month. Here, loony, loony, loony.